In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top. Select Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to try more options of pop-up view, click on the same line and try all of those. For example, by clicking on this X, you can close your app. If you wish to, you can also close it by clicking on Home button, turning it into a bubble and dragging your bubble to Close section at the top. You can even go into background apps again and close your window by swiping it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!